This is Bangkok train station. Thailand's railway was once the pride of Thailand. If you visit Thailand, try taking a train. I'm not talking about the modern subways and MRTs and LRTs, but the old trains. Thailand's trains connect to almost every part of Thailand. This old station is filled with charms and designs from a bygone era. Are those pillars designed in the Greek Greco-Roman style? This train station is filled with old photographs to show its history. You can just wander around and look at the old photos and get a sense of how grand this station must have been in its heyday. The website for buying tickets online is supposed to be really good and easy to use, but I found it difficult. However, rolling up at the station and buying a ticket is also really easy. That's a diesel train waiting at the platform. Oh yeah, and another thing, the Bangkok train station is called Lamphong. Here's my train. I'm going to Ayutthaya, the ancient city of Thailand.